Hi, this is Irfan from ThriveServe. In this tutorial, we will learn the printing a pattern, star pattern program. The pattern is in front of you on the screen. In this pattern, basically, there are two patterns. One is hidden pattern and one is in front of you. The hidden pattern is space here. At the last, here it is 0 number of space. So in the second last it is 1. In the third row it is 3. In the second row it is 3, 0, first, 2, 3 and 4. As there are 5 number of rows and 5 number of columns in this pattern, we will start from first row. In the first row there are 4 space and 1 column, 1 star. In the second row there are 3 space and 2 star. In the third row there are 2 space and 3 star. In the fourth row there are 1 space and 4 star. In the fifth row there are 5 star. There is no any space. So space will print 1 less to the number of row or columns. As there are equal number of row and column in this program, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 column and there are 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the first row we will print 4 space and 1 star, and it will move so on. So let's move to the editor and check it. New Java project, star pattern 2. No, I do not require. Go to the src folder, right click, new class, say demo, finish. For printing row, we will take a loop for int I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So we will not hard code this number, we will take this number by user. So a scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot int num equals to sc dot next int, and here rather than hard coded number we will pass the user passed number, that is num. So what we will do, it will start by 0 and it will go less than num1, means as we will pass 5, then it will start by 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it will run till 5 times. This loop will run 5 times. As num is 5, this loop will run 5 times. Why less than num? Because we are starting by 0. If we will start by 1, so then we can write less than equals to num, but this is a standard. Now in the column, what we need, 4 space 1 star. So what is the value of I? It is 0. What? So if I will for int, this loop I am writing for spaces, print spaces, int z equals to 0, z equals to num minus 1, z greater than 0, z greater than I. j minus minus space. We will remove ln because we do not need it. What we will do, what we have done in this in the first loop, in the first time in the loop, the value of I will be 0, j will be 4, num minus 1. Suppose I am passing the value 5. So j will be 4 and it will be greater than I, means it will start by 4, it will run 4 3 2 1. At when the value of j will be 0, it will be return false. So it will run 4 times in the first time. So in the first row we need 4 spaces, so it is correct. In the second time the value of I will be 1. It will go and it will run till the 2. Once the value of j will be 1, then it will return false, so it will run 3 times. This is correct, and this loop is responsible for print star for int 4 int k equals to 0, k less than equals to I k plus plus. So in the first row we need only 1 star, in the second row we need 2, in the third row we need 4. So when the value of I will be, the value of k should be the value of equals to I. In the first row it will be run till the 1 times, in the second row it will run till the 2 times, in the third row it will run till the 4 times, 3 times, and so on. As the number of row, it will start by 0 and less than equals to number of I, means number of rows. And outside this loop print space, print line break, sorry. This is responsible for printing line break for the next row. This will be responsible for printing a complete complete column in a row. 1 2 3 4 5. This internal code will be responsible of printing this complete column. And after this printing we need a line break, so we printed line break here and move into the next row. So our code is complete and I hope it will run successfully. Let's check it. Java application, pass the value here 5, running successfully. For looking at beautifully, what we need to do, we will print a space. We will print a space here, so we need to print a space here as well, because it will take 2 place. So here also we need 2 spaces. Save as. This time I am passing the value 9, so it is running successfully. Our pattern program is completed and running successfully. Thank you.